Today, we're going to record our third challenge, the slime mold race challenge. We are Tiger and Ruben. So let's have a quick look about what we're going to talk today. So we're going to have preparation, what do we need for the experiment, and the procedure to set up our hypothesis, the result, and the conclusion. So this is what we need: a container, aluminium foil, oat flake, dog food, slime mold, and agar. To set up, first we're gonna cut the foil into small pieces, and each piece is like 9 centimeter long and 3 centimeter high. And we're gonna tape it to the container. We're going to pour agar into the container. We're gonna put dog food and oat flake along the way and at the end. Then we're gonna wrap it up and store it at room temperature. Here's what we have on the first day. So we have the slime mold up there, and we have a bunch of oat flake here, and we drop some dog food along the way. However, never mind. So this is the visual setup that we have. So you can see that we dropped some oat flake and dog food along the way. Our container is 20 meters long and 20 centimeter long and 15 centimeter wide. The length of the aluminium foil is 9 centimeter. Yeah, so after 2 days, we changed our plan because a bunch of slime mold goes to the dog food, and we found it's very interesting. So we drop more dog food along the way. So our hypothesis is that the slime mold can go all the way through the maze to the end. And the expected distance is 65 centimeter. 10 is the length of each. 10 is the length of the width, and 15 is the length. So that's how we calculate it. So this is day 1, nothing happened. Day 2, more goes to the slime mold. More slime mold go to the dog food. And day 3, not very clear, right? So on day 3, they go through its maze. But interestingly, so at that point, they split. So some of them go this way, some of them go that way. So not as what we expected, that they're gonna go all the way to the maze. But so on the 4th day, so these guys keep going that direction while those guys going to the end, and they go backward. So day 5, finally they reach the point. So those guys go that way and reach that point. Those guys go this way and reach that point. So the slime mold survive, yay! And the actual distance is the same as our expectation, 65 centimeter. And it connected 44 out of 45 food sources. And we record in 111 hours, which is 5 days approximately. So we can see that the slime mold move around 1.5 centimeter per hour. Okay, so in conclusion, we're gonna say that the dog food may be more attractive to the slime mold, and maybe in the future we can use the dog food as the experiment with the slime mold instead of oat flake. And we doubt about the gene of dogs and slime mold. Maybe there's some similarity. Okay, thank you for listening.